another way to log in to Openlms. That is via the browser. So I have a browser here on my right side, on the right side of the screen, sa baba. So that's what I'm going to use. And on the address tab, we just simply have to input rmmc.myopenlms. It's already there. .net. And go. So yung yung isa ko pang test student ang gagamitin ko this time. Yes. So the name is test student. Okay. Alright. So this time, ang ginamit ko naman is yung browser. Right? Okay, yan. There are times na pag scroll tayo, yung screen is parang progressive na na style, yung bang merong linya na lumalabas. That's because yung graphics natin is medyo slow. In my case, this phone's processor is fast, quite fast. That's why hindi masyadong pansin yung glaring ng screen. But if that happens, punta lang tayo dito sa settings and find desktop site. There, desktop site. You can see that. And click on it so that the display will change into the desktop like how it is kung nasa computer tayo. Ayan. Okay. So, I will have to go back para dun sa mobile para medyo malaki yung aking display. Okay. Again, we are using the browser this time, not the app. I did mention dun sa unang first part of this tutorial na if I am to choose between the app and the browser, I would go for the browser. Kasi yung display niya is you can change from desktop to mobile site, that which I have just demonstrated. So, nandito yung ating mga courses. See the display? I prefer this over the app. Okay, and on this part of the screen, sa baba naman, may makikita tayong this is for the assignments, the calendar, the messages, and the forum. That which we have seen dun sa ating computer tutorial kanina. Tutorial using the computer. So, here are the two courses where the test student is enrolled in. Let's click on the test course. Ito yung nakita natin kanina, may assignment doon. So, if I am to submit an assignment, answer this. So, what I will do is to just click on the title and then add submission. Okay. So, ito yung entry field. You can type here number 1. I don't memorize it. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm. I don't know if this is number 1. Other people. Okay. Or you can submit a file. Here. Sa baba, merong file submission. So, all you have to do is to click on that one. And then, yes. And then, look for your file. Make sure na nasa upload file ka. Upload a file and then choose the file sa drive mo or sa computer mo or sa mobile phone mo. And then, just click upload this file. So, I'm not going to do that because I don't have a file to upload here. So, I will just leave. Okay. Now, go back to the entry field. Okay. So, let me type down again. I shall not use a computer to bear false Oops, daisy. witness. Okay, so if you have written all those 10 commandments or what has been required, you just click on Save, Settings, Save, and then you have already submitted. Okay, so you are given an option to edit submission. That is, you want to add more lines to what you have written. And then, hindi pa talaga siya submitted, no? Kasi pwede mo pang i-edit or i-remove yung submission mo and do it again. Now, if you decided na final na yon, you just have to click on the button here and click Submit Assignment. Okay? And merong confirm pa talaga. So, bantayan nyo sana yun, no? Yung lalong-lalo na sa quiz, submit and finish, because there are confirmation text pa, mga notification pa to really confirm your submission. So, minsan kasi, doon na lang tayo sa submit. Kinlik lang natin yung submit without really complying to all of the instructions here. And then later found out na hindi pala talaga na-submit yung assignment mo. Okay, and continue. And we have finalized our submission. Submission status submitted for grading. See, I think I clicked submit dalawang beses, tatlong beses. So just make sure that you went all through those buttons bago ka makampante na nakapag-submit ka na. Okay? So, let's go back to my courses and now we're here. Let's see how it is displayed sa desktop site. Okay. So, medyo maliit kasi nga yung display niya is adapted sa desktop. Okay. Ayan. So, here are the courses. Ayan. The same as yung dinemonstrate kanina. You have profile, dashboard, grades, preferences, and logout. So, I'm now going to log out to finish the demonstration. I hope you learned from this. Just the basics, guys. Logging in and logging out and getting through all those features or touring the features, the dashboard of my Openlms. Okay? And meron tayong nadagdag na konti about submission of assignments. Until next video.